Unboxing Humane's AI pin, so you know exactly what you're getting. Give this a like if it helps, and subscribe for more. Starting with the booster. This video is purely the unboxing experience. First impressions are good with this custom packaging. After this unboxing, I'll be testing the features, so look out for that on the next video. The case for it feels like paper. Though this label tab here feels like plastic, it's actually made of plant-based material. Beautifully packaged, but it's kind of confusing. Okay, alright. There's the booster, which is basically an external battery for the pin. Charge before using. Serial number and SKU. Then I noticed the paperwork on the lid. Again, the pull tabs are nice, but they're kind of confusing. And when you rip off the paper from the case, it's quite permanent. Accordion instruction manual. Does it go back together? Kind of. It's made of paper, but okay, not the most secure. You could probably see. Next is this big guy. It doesn't really say what it is, but it's nice. Minimal packaging. Charge case. Made of plant-based material. This is Humane. Charge case. Oh, I hate that. Oh, that's gonna be there forever. All right. So it looks like another manual there. That's pretty. Okay. There's arrows both sides. Oh. Yeah, I don't get the packaging. It's not the most clear, but hey, it's pretty. Last but not least, the AI pin. Again with the same plant-based material that feels like paper. Open this up. Pin. This here is the wireless charger and a stylish adapter. USB-C. It's lighting up already. Here's the really cool charging adapter. Their theme is an Eclipse, so it makes sense that they have this rounded shape. You get a braided cable. It's like a flat braided USB-C cable. Nice. This is actually the nicest USB-C cable I've ever seen. It's a fine braided cable with a nice flat design. The booster we unboxed earlier is actually the second booster. The first one comes already attached to the AI pin. Really strong magnet. You heard that? Also wanted to show you that the first thing you actually see on the main box is this thank you letter, along with graphics of what's included within the package. And last month, I actually got stickers from Humane, I guess for early adopters. It was really secure on my shirt, but it did sag it a bit. My shirt was really thin and I didn't get the clasp, which I just found is extra for thinner fabrics. Here I am doing the tutorial and setting it up. For some reason, it doesn't really pick up well on camera, but I am finding a way around that. Like here, only part of the image shows, but in real life, all of it shows. First impression so far though, not as intuitive as I thought. But it could be cool, we'll see. I'm getting used to navigating and realizing there's a lot of overheating that happens every few minutes when using the laser. Then you can't really use the whole thing, which is really disruptive. So I've reached out to Humane about it and will update you guys soon. Oh, and the laser doesn't always show up. Quick tip, for those who want to turn on the object recognition feature, you'll want to turn on the Vision beta form from the settings menu on the website. That's it for now, you guys. I wanted to start giving you a good idea of what you're getting so far. I'm getting the Humane AI pin. I just got this yesterday, so I'm going to spend some time with this to give you guys a review coming soon. So you'll definitely want to subscribe for that. I hope this helped. If so, give it a like and subscribe for a more detailed review of this and more content like it. Thanks for your support and thanks for watching.